Under there, huh? Woo! It's my school, y'all. It's my school. It's called Cassidy. It's a great school. Built 1902. This is a great view of everything. As you see, this block is quiet. Quiet enough so you can sleep at night. Ain't got no shooting in. Bang, bang, bang. Yo, I'ma kill you. Ah! Oh, I'm about to fall. Ooh. Come on, do some stuff in the camera. Oh, you stupid. I gotta take a wash. Anybody else gotta take a wash? Cause I clearly do. Ramir, I'm not playing with you. Where is you? Yo. I got you. I see you. I see you. That's why I'm putting this on YouTube. See two boys walking over there. This is stupid.
How you gonna step with your pajamas on?
I know.
Down the steps.
Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Ouch, my foot. Ah, damn. I see you. That's why I'm putting this video on YouTube. That's what you get. Why you still on the step? You heard what Miss Jackson said. Why you still on the step? Why you still on the step? You heard what Miss Jackson said. Why you still on the step? Stupido. Ouch, my foot hurt. Miss Jackson, you finished report card conference? Ouch. Get out. Stop pushing me. Oh, my foot.
Good, put your hands up.
Put your hands up in the air. Put your up in the air. This video is 7 minutes already. My foot hurt. In my life, yeah. You right at the handicap school days, no parking thing. Foot hurts.
Better not record.
Huh? Are you waiting for your car to come?
Yeah.
Huh?
Why? Did you see my car?
No.
Is that black card?
That's not.
My car is different and nicer and bigger.
My car is black.
So how come
I
you
know
got
that.
your keys?
Where you at?
Look at your big head.
Near the other side. Not the side with the officer.
Look at your big head. Stop swinging my key. You hit me. My foot hurt. I think it fell asleep.
No, my car was parked.
Turn up the music. I need it up loud. Ugh. Buh. 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 I'm going in the house. You got a YouTube account? Of course you don't. Told you. Play it on the. She said go somewhere. She said go somewhere. She said go somewhere. Let's go.
Don't touch me. Come on, you got my shirt out of shape.
Let's go.
Look.
Let's go. Let's go. Trying to swing on me? Stop. Ouch. That hurt. What you doing?
I do not care, baby girl.
Move. Well, I still got you. This joint is 11 minutes. My foot hurt.
You're not gonna get it.
But I saw your rib cage.
You're not gonna be able to get my face.
You had gym today?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got your face.
Are you not gonna be able to get my face?
Oh, that's his little car. That's his little car. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Come here, boy. What's up, y'all? This is LC Cam. I'm gonna call this LC Cam, though. Cause my name is Lachey Clark. Like being my honest behavior say, and B Cam. I'ma say LC Cam. So this is LC Cam.
LC Cam.
This is Explorer outside.
Hit me up on Twitter on public.
Yeah, you can hit me up on Twitter.
At 21 Peanut.
Hello.
Hit me up on
Hello.
Twitter on Peanut Live 215 Little Fully Boy.
What?
Alright, y'all. So I know y'all gonna get this. So I'll be saying it, and I know y'all love y'all.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Looking for y'all too, for the girls who ever watched this. Love you. Peace. Don't like that.
All right, take cameras of me. Take pics of me. Take stuff of me.
Alright, we're gonna take pics.
What's up, LC? What's up, LC Cam? I'm Lachey. As you know my last name, that's why this is LC Cam. Well, LZC. My name is LZC. I live in this type of neighborhood. It's so quiet that at night you can sleep real good. You never get bothered. You never get woken up. That's why this is called LZ. This is called LZ Cam. Because I live near Philly Trans. Philly Transportation. Philly Transportation. LZC on his Cameron neighborhood. You don't know me like that, son. I come from a little town called. I come from the school, Louis C. Cassidy. Show him the school, Louis C. Cassidy, right here. Show him the school, Louis C. Cassidy.
Alright, I gotta move back for him to see his whole thing. Go.
Yeah, this is called Cassidy.
I'm taking the video.
Yeah, this is called Cassidy School. Louis C. Cassidy. This is a great school. It's on Cameron Road. It's a great school. It opened 1902. It was built between the 18th century and the 19th. So it was open 1902, y'all.
My turn.
1902. This public school called Louis C. Cassidy was open 1902, alright?
My turn.
Why you stop that? Oh, whew.
Hey, yo, this is my school. Louis C. Cassidy. It's not hood, and I be bad in it. I can do anything if I want to. Excuse me. Hey, I can do anything if I want to because it's my school. Let me show you what I can do in this hood.
All you did was pick up a piece of trash and throw it back on the ground. Are you stupid? Yes, you are. See? Now, this school is a good school. You know why? Because for all them freaking drug dealers out there, I hate y'all. I really do. It doesn't make sense of what you do. It really doesn't. That's why y'all lose your home, y'all lose all your money, and y'all get shot to death or y'all get stabbed to death because y'all want to be on some stupid drugs that don't even mean nothing. Go back to school, get a freaking education like I'm trying to do. I'm trying to live my life. Go to school, go back to school for your children. Go back to school, do whatever you gotta do. Don't be on drugs no more. See, drug-free drugs. No, school zone. Drug-free school zone. No drug dealers around this school or y'all gonna get prosecuted. No drug dealers. I'm telling y'all, y'all drug dealers is stupid because y'all don't want to go back to school and learn what you want to learn because some of y'all dropped out in high school. Some of you dropped out of 6th grade and had babies and went to jail. Because when you go to jail, you see them bars be put in your face. And them bars be put in your face and they close in front of your face. You see your life pass by in the wind. You don't want that. So that's why a lot of people on drugs because they drop out. So a lot of y'all who are on drugs, I'm telling you to stop.